Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to create a Docker file and then Docker image and ultimately create a Docker container. Creating a Docker image involves several steps. Docker is a platform for developing, shipping, and running applications in containers. Here's a basic guide to help you create a Docker image. 1. Install Docker. Make sure Docker is installed on your machine. You can download and install Docker from the official website. 2. Create a Dockerfile. A Dockerfile is a text file that contains instructions for building a Docker image. Create a file named Dockerfile in the root directory of your project. 3. Build the Docker image. Open a terminal, navigate to the directory containing your Dockerfile, and run the following command to build the Docker image. 4. Run a container from the image. Once the image is built, you can run a container based on that image using the following command: docker run p4000:3000 your image name tag. This command maps port 4000 on your host machine to port 3000 on the Docker container. Adjust the ports as needed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate me to bring up more contents on Docker.